Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I am Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how to add a video background to your booking calendars and booking hubs step by step. So let's jump in. Log into your OnceHub account and click the booking calendars icon on the left hand side. In the booking calendars lobby, open any of your preferred booking calendar and then go to the page designer tab. On the page designer tab, look for the page background and click the video option. There are two options, that is predefined and custom. Under the predefined, there are three default templates. You can select any of them. And in case if you want to upload your own branded video for personalized experience, you will need to click on custom and then click on choose video. When you click on choose video, you will need to upload your own branded video from your device. While uploading your own video, there are certain requirements as format. The file format should be MP4, WEBM, OGG, AVI or MOV. The file size should be under 20 MB and the duration should be around 10 seconds. Please note, the video that you are going to upload will be played muted. Once you are done selecting with your preferred video, hit apply and scroll down. Under the information and background opacity, please adjust this slider so make sure your text is readable. Once everything looks good, hit save. And that's it. Your booking calendar is now having the video background. Now, to upload the video background to your booking hubs, go back to the booking calendars lobby. Click on the booking hubs on the left hand side and again select your preferred booking hubs. Go to the page designer tab and repeat the same process. Once everything looks good, again hit save. Just to see a preview of your booking hub, click on the page URL and the preview of the video background will be showing on your new updated link. To get the best result, follow these pro tips. The tip 1 is use stable videos. Avoid shaky footage. Use still camera shot for a clean look. Tip number 2, create seamless loops. Make sure your video loops smoothly without visible jumps. Use AI tools. You can even use AI tools to generate professional looping videos for your brand. And tip number 3, adjust transparency. Always balance visibility and readability using opacity settings. And that's it. Your booking links now look modern, engaging, and conversation ready. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.